Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Build to Sell. This is 7 days to your first digital data product. Thank you so much for joining me in this course. I'm so excited that you're here. I've created this course specifically with the data professional in mind because I know how exciting and frustrating it is to try and create a digital data product. And sometimes we have a lot of exciting ideas, but we just can't get it off the ground. And sometimes we just need a different nudge or a different guidance to get us from idea to execution. My name is Dottabel, and maybe we have met before. Maybe you're a former student. Maybe we've met on LinkedIn, maybe through Teach Data with AI, or maybe over at YouTube through one of my tutorials. But if we haven't met before, again, I'm glad you're here and let's connect on LinkedIn. I'm a self professed data geek. I've been in tech for more than 20 years, and I've naturally gravitated towards working with data for a good part of my career. I think of myself as a teacher first. Alongside my day job, I also teach at nights at a local college and teach professionals who are entering the workforce, switching careers, upskilling, or reskilling. In the last few years, I dabbled in content creation. I post on LinkedIn every day. I have some video tutorials on YouTube. I have a couple of newsletters, and I've also authored some books earlier part in my career. And we are not just our professional credentials. We will rediscover some of that in this course. For me, I am happiest and most proud when I'm a wife, a mom, a dog mom, a daughter, a friend, a mentor.